Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to non-activate lock screen on Motorola GR6 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna show you my phone when I turn it off, and I'm gonna turn it on again. I'm gonna swipe up. There will be a screen lock, yeah guys, or a lock screen. So if you want to turn it off or you want to non-activate this screen lock, you just have to go to the settings first. Here I'm going to open my settings page, and after scroll it down until you'll find here the security and privacy options. Now you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find device unlock. Tap on it, and after here choose the first option, which is a screen lock. And to confirmation, you have to enter your pattern first. This is my lock screen, yeah guys. Now if you want to non-activate the lock screen, you just have to choose these two options, which is none and swipe. The none one is there are no wallpaper lock screen, yeah guys. So if you want to turn on the phone, there will be automatically entered to the home screen. And if you choose the swipe one, if you want to turn on the phone, you can see the wallpaper lock screen and you have to swipe up, so it will enter to the home screen. Now I'm gonna use the swipe one, and then we have to delete first the lock screen that we use. And the lock screen will change to the swipe one. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna turn off the phone. When I'm turning it on, I'm gonna swipe up and it will be entered to this home screen. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.